Now let's do the double travelling time step. Remember, like your single time step video, we put a tap spring in. Double always means tap spring in breaks and time steps. So, double, shuffle, hop, tap, spring, shuffle, step. Shuffle, hop, tap, spring, shuffle, step. Shuffle, hop, tap, spring, shuffle, step. Simple ending. Shuffle, step, shuffle, back, front. Change your arm to diagonal with the left arm up. Shuffle, hop, tap, spring, shuffle, step. Shuffle, hop, tap, spring, shuffle, step. Shuffle, hop, tap, spring, shuffle, step. Simple ending. Shuffle, step, shuffle, back, front. So now let's try triple. Do you remember the difference for a triple? It's that shuffle to the side. So go back, look at single time steps, double time steps, triple time steps to notice those differences and get those in your head. So triple travelling time step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, shuffle, step. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, shuffle, step. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, shuffle, step. Simple ending. Shuffle, step, shuffle, back, front. Left arm up. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, shuffle, step. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, shuffle, step. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, shuffle, step. Shuffle, step, shuffle, back, front. Keep counting, make sure you only do 3 time steps or else you won't fit in the bars of music neatly. So, triple travelling time step, shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, shuffle, step. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, shuffle, step. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, shuffle, step. Simple ending. Shuffle, step, shuffle, back, front. Change to left arm up high. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, shuffle, step. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, shuffle, step. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, shuffle, step. Simple ending. Shuffle, step, shuffle, back, front. Bit faster that one.